Hello, today is Christmas and the Bitcoin mining pays even on Christmas, 7 days a week, 24/7. That's one thing I really like about it. So this is the approximate payout that I got today, minus the fees of 17, 18%, something like that. But still going strong. And today I want to just take a look and show you a couple things. And I'm going to make a withdrawal. I've been letting this accumulate for a few days. So we're going to withdraw that and we'll show you how that works. So before I get going, I want to give the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving you a financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Do your own diligence. Make sure your own research is good and never invest more money than you're willing to lose. So like I was saying, one of the things I like about the Bitcoin mining is that it doesn't take breaks. There's no holidays. There's always people moving around Bitcoin around the world. A holiday here is not a holiday somewhere else in the world. So there's always action, always movement, always transactions that need to be computed. And that's what these mining farms do. They compute all the Bitcoin transactions. And for that computation, they make a fee. They get paid in Bitcoin. And those transaction fees, those add up to money. And so that's what we're looking at. I have right now 65 terahash of power. And as of, the payout that I got today was this amount in Bitcoin right here. So like I said, I've been letting this build up. Here's my balance so far. It's built up over a week or so. I'm going to make a withdrawal on that so you can see what that looks like. All right, you'll see a little withdrawal button up here. First off, you go up here and you hit that, and so it shows you your the amount of Bitcoin that I had in the my balance, and then it tells you that this is going to be the commission the commission charge that they're going to add on to it. And so we'll go up here and we'll see that this amount right here, I've already stuck it in the Google. It's approximately $731 based on today's price, and the 006 fee is this commission that they're going to charge here, transactional type fee, approximately $8. So that's what those numbers are. And now what I can do is I can slide the slider here about how much do I want to withdraw. So you just move around to wherever you want, and I'm just going to withdraw all of it today. So anyway, just hit once you decide on the amount that you want, you just hit the withdrawal button. All right, success. Withdrawal request has been created. We have sent you an email for confirmation. Please check the inbox and confirm this request. So I will wait for that email, and when I get it, I will confirm it. All right, I clicked on the link in the email, and now I've got the message that it's been confirmed, and I should have the Bitcoin in my wallet in about 15 minutes. So it's as easy as that to get the Bitcoins transferred. So right now, they've got once you get to a 0.05 Bitcoin, you can make withdrawal, and they've got that limit set because right now there's a lot of backup, a lot of unconfirmed transactions in the blockchain. So because of the backlog, they're not letting you take little tiny withdrawals. So there's 171,000 unconfirmed transactions. So the good news is they need mining done. These transactions need to be mined. So that's one of the reasons why I like this as a business, because there's a lot of transactions all over the world that need to be taken care of. You'll notice that now my Bitcoin balance is zero because I just transferred it all out to my Bitcoin wallet. And let's say we'll do another example of if I wanted to buy in with some more terahash. Let's do the example of 10 terahash. So you just click the button right here, come down here and slide this over to wherever, how much you want. In this case, it's going to be about $2,200. Come over here, put in the terahash amount, And pool fees, I need to put in, I like to put in 18%, even though it's been running less than that. It's been running around 16, 17%. This number is 0. Investment costs dollars would be $2,200, and this is the approximate price of Bitcoin at this time. So I'm going to hit calculate, and it says 140 days right now to get your money back, and the daily rate is going to be about $15 a day, monthly rate $470, annually $5,700. So that's kind of what you could get there. That's just if you let it ride, you didn't reinvest, you just let it ride, and for your 1-year contract. Those are approximations. So you know, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, this gets better, and you can play around with, you know, what if it goes back up to 18, or you know, it might also go down. You know, might go down to 10, or who knows where it's going to go. You can play around with the numbers. And then the example of if you wanted to do the compounding of it, you can come over here and stick in your amount that you're invested, and it's going to pay out. Let's see if those numbers are accurate today. So $15 a day, okay, $16 a day. Okay, they're close. I can adjust this number down to Okay, so let's see, is that right? 15, I might need to bring it down some more. 0.73, 0.70. Okay, got that lower. Okay, so that's kind of close. So anyway, if you wanted to do the compounding, reinvesting every day, you could see that each day, you know, it's a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and so on. And then as you get down to the 6th month mark, you're somewhere in this range, and then at the year mark, it could be somewhere in this range for a daily return. So all depends on what happens with the price of Bitcoin and the difficulty of mining, but that just gives you, you know, something to think about what it could be. So if you want to sign up, here's the registration page. Very easy to get started. Just put in your information, hit go, and then if you do want to go ahead and purchase, you can, you know, use Bitcoin, or when you proceed, you can use. They give you some other options here. When you proceed, you can select your payment method, and you can do a wire transfer, pay with credit card, pay year, or Bitcoin, or from your balance, which I don't have any because I just send all that to my wallet today. So you have a couple options if you want to go in. Okay, here's my Bitcoin wallet, and the money just arrived, or the Bitcoin just arrived. It shows it right here, activity, and I had like 30 some dollars in here before, so it came right over, no problem. I'll put some of the links down in the description so you can check down there and check them out, do whatever you need. All right, have a great day.